There is one more. This is a cutting board. Let's open this. This is one. Okay, I think this is broken, so definitely it should be returned. Okay, so this glass has a breakage. So while I'm opening it itself, I was getting some sound. So this is so good, but I think this is a damaged piece, so definitely we should return this. I will call her now and I'll let her know. Even after having that much of safe packaging, still damaged. So now I need to check this one. This is the cutting board. Yes, this is good. This is my Ulta package. I ordered some hair color thing. So yes. These are the color correctors that I ordered because my friend, she has dark circles and she was asking me to find some good color corrector and send her to India. So one I wanted to try for myself and the other this is for her. And this is Wow Root Cover Touch Up. So I need to try this and I'll do a video for this as well. If possible, I will add all the links in my description box so that you can directly go to the link and purchase if you like it. And this is all for today. This is my weekend unboxing video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to me, Vasu.